strawberry cheesecake.
Exam. Who are you? That's probably the question we ask ourselves most in our teenage years. I honestly don't have it all figured out yet, but could this be the summer that begins to change? I don't really want to call this a glow up because it makes it sound like it's only about looks. Yeah, I want to feel healthier and prettier and look more put together, but to me, that means focusing on my mindset. Getting closer to God, to stop wasting hours on my phone, to build up my endurance and show up more, to stop waiting for motivation to magically appear. Imagine if I was actually locked in this summer. Imagine if I turned that thought into a reality. I have no idea how this journey is gonna go, but that's part of what makes it exciting. Hi everyone, it's 2 days after school ended. But today, I'm going to my mom's sewing studio so I can make a makeup bag for my friend because her birthday's tomorrow. Get ready. Get ready with me to go to the studio. Boop. Part of my summer glow up goals, I want to be more authentic. So I want to start DIYing things a lot more. This is just the start. I'm gonna make all my school supplies this year. I also want to start making my own clothes. That'd be pretty cool. I feel like a lot of the time I can get caught up in what my classmates and my friends are wearing or what they're doing and stuff like that, but I don't really want to do that anymore. I want to be me. That's part of why I started this channel, to help others discover who they are and to discover who I am myself. Starting with this summer, let's do this. So I was supposed to come home and start preparing for my exams, but there's no time to do that. There's absolutely no time at all. After 5 hours spent making it, we went shopping for 1 hour because of my friend's birthday party tomorrow. I had nothing to wear. The dress code is fancy restaurant wear, no dresses allowed. Because I came late, I didn't really get to sit with anyone I was close with, so I didn't really talk much. In that moment, it felt like a big deal and I felt really awkward. Now that I look back on it, it doesn't really matter. I was there to celebrate one of my closest friends on her 16th birthday, and I'm just happy she seemed to enjoy it so much. Hi! Not so fun fact. The last video I made to update this vlog, I made it like a week ago. So now it's almost officially 1 week since my last exam. It's Monday and I had my last exam on Thursday. And what have I accomplished so far? Nothing. Anyways, I've mostly been watching shows and stuff. There's this one show that like aired episodes every single day that I really wanted to keep track, but now that's over. It's time to lock in, like for real this time. So today I'm going to make a list of the things I want to improve before summer is over, because you can't change anything if you don't know what to change. Clock it. Bars. As you can see, it's gotten a lot darker and the sun is beginning to set, but I'm finally done. Tomorrow is my grade's first hangout, and we're having a barbecue. This is my fit. Ta-da! Right now, I need to go to the grocery store and get some food for my classmates. Let's see if I can get my brother to drive me, and I'm not going to be late this time. Looking for the cupcakes. New cakes, that's so cute. I found some cupcakes for like $8 per 6. There's 30 of us. It's official, the cakes are cheaper. It took me 20 minutes, but I decided on this cake. So the event starts in 3 minutes and it's 19 minutes away. It's okay. If only my brother was faster. Then we would have.
Don't even give me that. 20 minutes to pick a cake is insane.
I just came. I saw one of my friends at the court while we were driving by. She told me they're right past this parking lot. Oh my gosh, I think my classmates, guys. Stop, this is so cute. I mean, yeah, I love my class. Let me just follow them. I need to get over this. It's okay, it's simple. Alright. Not alright at all. I'm gonna pull up with the whole cake. I just clocked that. Ew. I got
anything else?
Guys, that's my man. Guys, I actually want to go get it.
You want to?
Is it okay to go?
If you go an way.
Whoa! Great!
Or I just need to rip it.
These guys, they look like models, guys. Oh my gosh. Pretend to press that button again. It looked really nice. Yay! Okay.
Oh, how do you make your nose bleed without hurting it?
What? Wanna give myself to you. Yeah. Dreaming night. Only one thing on my. Okay.
Although you might be telling us one.
Okay, wait, Milky, what did you get?
I got a strawberry cheesecake.
Why are you running? No. And now that leaves me the last one. My ride just got here, so I'm going too. Oh, I see him. I feel like I could have done so much more in this video. Instead of investing time in bettering myself, I invested time in watching YouTube and keeping up with the latest content. That caused me to procrastinate in editing and getting this video out, and also in doing other things I had planned. Honestly, there were times I felt like giving up, but then I remembered the little moments and why I'm doing this in the first place. Then I realized the only time I fail is if I give up. I have 9 minutes. Is this tough?
I can change the.
Thank you so much for watching. If you made it up to this point, comment the word authentic. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!